This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Alight Solutions Inc., explaining the steps to buy the NASDAQ-listed stock under the ticker ALIT, and a brief note on what the company does in cloud HR and benefits services. This is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ALIT, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to show the process, and after signing up, you will typically be asked to verify your identity with a government ID, then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALIT to find Alight Solutions Inc. Then locate the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have selected Alight Solutions Inc. And make sure the ticker reads ALIT and the exchange is NASDAQ before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a market or limit order depending on the platform. And if you lack sufficient funds, you will be prompted to add money before the purchase can be completed. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Check the description for the example eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.